Okay, today we'll be looking at this piece called Boiling Cabbage Down. If we play both left hand and right hand together, it should sound like this. Alright, now let me break it down for you. We're gonna find middle C. Our first finger is gonna be a middle C. One, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4, finger 5. Okay, and if we look on the sheet, the music sheet, we'll see that the note begins with an E, right? Let's begin. Alright, let's now look at the left hand. We're going to place our left hand on C3, that's the C above middle C. Our fifth finger on the C above middle C. This is middle C, here is your fifth finger now. Alright, and we'll begin. And alright. So when you have gotten used to just playing the note in your left hand, you can now move to playing a chord in the left hand. Alright, so C chord. And then we go to F chord, C chord, then G chord, right, then C chord, F chord, C, G, right. That's it.